A clear software comparison starts now, and AI voice will continue the walkthrough. Blueberry structures its pricing around two clear account models, keeping costs transparent and execution focused rather than layered with confusing add-ons. The standard account rolls all trading costs directly into the spread, with spreads starting from around 1 pip and 0 commission applied. This setup is designed for traders who prefer simplicity, predictable costs, and not having to calculate per trade fees. The minimum deposit sits at a reasonable level, making it accessible without pushing traders into over-leveraging just to qualify for better pricing. For more active traders, Blueberry's Raw account is where pricing becomes more aggressive. Spreads can start from 0 pips, with a fixed commission charged per lot traded. This structure benefits scalpers, algorithmic traders, and anyone running strategies where tight spreads and execution consistency matter more than simplicity. Importantly, both accounts maintain the same leverage limits, minimum trade sizes, and instrument access, so traders are choosing pricing style rather than being locked into different trading conditions. Feature-wise, Blueberry strongly emphasizes platform flexibility and execution quality. Traders get access to MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, TradingView integration, and Blueberry's own proprietary Blueberry X platform. This broad platform support allows traders to operate however they prefer, whether that's classic desktop trading, browser-based access, or advanced TradingView charting combined with live execution. The broker supports over 300 tradable instruments across Forex, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, offering breadth without overwhelming the platform. Execution reliability is a core part of Blueberry's positioning. The broker highlights low latency order routing, deep liquidity access, and full support for expert advisors and automated strategies. Risk management tools, demo accounts, and educational resources are available, but the overall experience is geared more toward traders who already understand execution mechanics and want clean infrastructure rather than heavy handholding. On the pro side, Blueberry consistently earns praise for fast execution, tight raw spreads, strong TradingView integration, and highly responsive customer support. Traders frequently mention smooth withdrawals, professional account handling, and trading conditions that align closely with what's advertised. The availability of multiple platforms without feature restrictions is another major plus. On the con side, traders on the standard account may find spreads less competitive compared to raw pricing brokers, and beginners may feel slightly under-supported compared to education-heavy platforms. Some users also note that advanced features are best appreciated once you already have trading experience. FXChoice approaches pricing from a flexibility and progression standpoint, giving traders multiple ways to reduce costs as activity and volume increase over time. The broker offers Classic, Pro, and Optimus account structures, allowing traders to choose between spread-inclusive pricing or commission-based models, depending on experience and strategy. Classic accounts bundle costs directly into the spread, removing commission calculations entirely, while Pro accounts introduce tighter spreads paired with per-lot commissions for more active traders. Spreads remain competitive across instruments, and minimum deposit requirements start very low, making FXChoice accessible to traders testing strategies with smaller capital, while still offering scalability for higher volume participants and longer-term growth. A key differentiator in FXChoice's pricing ecosystem is the Pips Plus loyalty program. This tiered system rewards traders based on equity levels and trading volume over rolling periods, gradually reducing commissions or providing spread rebates as traders climb higher tiers. For classic accounts, rebates effectively refund part of the spread on qualifying volume, lowering real trading costs over time. Pro accounts benefit from progressively lower commissions per million traded, rewarding consistency rather than one-time deposits. This design encourages disciplined, repeat trading activity and makes FXChoice especially attractive to traders who plan to stay active rather than trade sporadically. Feature-wise, FXChoice supports both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, With full expert advisor compatibility, hedging support, advanced order types, and stable execution infrastructure, traders gain access to Forex pairs, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, supported by flexible leverage and a low minimum trade size that allows precise position sizing. Account funding and withdrawals are designed to be straightforward, with multiple payment options available depending on region. Negative balance protection, account security protocols, and segregated client funds help create a safer trading environment, particularly for traders operating with higher leverage or automated strategies. FXChoice places a clear emphasis on operational reliability rather than platform complexity. Live customer support is available around the clock, and many users report that support staff are responsive, knowledgeable, and willing to resolve issues without excessive escalation. On the pro side, FXChoice is appreciated for its low entry barrier, flexible leverage options, loyalty-based cost reductions, and consistent MetaTrader execution across accounts. Traders often mention fair pricing progression, simple account structures, and the ability to scale volume without excessive overhead. On the con side, some traders point out regional limitations, occasional funding delays depending on payment method, and a platform experience that feels functional rather than modern or visually refined. Traders seeking advanced proprietary analytics or native trading view execution may find FXChoice less compelling. From a reputation standpoint, Blueberry holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.7, with customers frequently highlighting exceptional customer service, fast withdrawals, reliable execution, and trading conditions that closely match advertised pricing. Reviews often describe the support team as patient, professional, and highly responsive. FXChoice holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.0, with many users praising flexible account options, fair trading conditions, and helpful support, while some feedback points to regional service availability and platform simplicity as areas for improvement. Final takeaway: if you're a trader who prioritizes execution speed, ultra-tight raw spreads, trading view integration, and a performance-first trading environment, Blueberry delivers a refined platform built for serious market participation. If you prefer low entry barriers, flexible leverage, loyalty-based cost reductions, and a MetaTrader-centric experience that improves as you trade more, FXChoice offers a pragmatic and scalable alternative. Neither broker is universally better. The right choice depends on whether you value cutting-edge execution or progressive cost efficiency. If this comparison helped you choose the platform that actually fits how you trade, hit like, subscribe for more no-nonsense broker breakdowns, and click the link below to access the platform that aligns with your strategy, not just the sales pitch.